want to buy this, if you want to know how much it costs, any information about this product, I'll cover it in today's video. So keep watching.
Do you want to know?
Hey babes, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Been a minute. How you doing? I review skincare products. I also talk about my lifestyle, my motherhood journey, and everything in between. If that is something you're interested in, ensure you're subscribed to this channel because I'd love to have you here. I'm building a community of people with like minds. You can join my train. You should join my train. So if there's any product you want me to review, because I've been doing a lot of skincare product review. If there's any specific product you want me to review, let me know in the comments. I will try, let my hand on it and make a video for it. First impression to me was I like the body of the sunscreen. I love the body. I love the color. I love that it had the dominant color blue. And then it's a Nivea brand. We all know Nivea products here in Nigeria, but this is not Nivea Nigeria. The packaging is cute. It comes in this pot. So this size is 140 grams, which is a good amount. And I love the design. Very simple. Let me show you guys. Let's focus on you. Okay, let's be the spotlight. So this is comes in blue, like it's actually almost empty. That's why I say it's not strong. I love this product so well. I like the pump. Wait, let's focus on the pump. This pump, it comes in, and this is what the body looks like. It's actually empty right now because I used it. English is this. It says super water gel sunscreen SPF 50 plus plus plus. It's a viral skincare product, but it also has a lot of backlash. One of the backlash is the fact that it contains alcohol. A high percentage of alcohol in any skincare brand is a problem. It can cause so many damage to your skin. People really hate the fact that it contains alcohol, and that's one red flag about it. One unique thing about Nivea Water Gel Sunscreen is the fact that it's a hybrid sunscreen. It's a chemical and a mineral sunscreen, right? So let's talk about the texture right now. I'm going to pump it on my hand and also apply it on my face so we can do the test it for the texture, the consistency, and how it looks like on my body. This is the texture. This is what it looks like on my hand. This is it, and I'm going to apply it all over my hand. I'm applying it all over my hand. I'm going to go as much as I'm going to go to my finger area. It feels like you're applying a toner on your body. It has a water-like texture, which is what they said, and it's true. And another good thing about it is it dries off very fast. So as fast as water will dry up, that's how the sunscreen dries into your skin. And that brings me to why I said people really dislike the fact that it contains alcohol, because this is one thing that alcohol will do to a skincare product. So you can see it is great. No white casts, no single white cast. It's crazy. No white cast. It is dried up already. There's no texture, no extra texture from it. I'm going to come back and check again while I go through the rest of my points. I'm going to come back and do like a live after check of what it's still going to look like. Maybe the white cast will come back. Who knows? The students, this is a good option for you. Currently it's sold for 10,000 naira, or between 8,000 to 10,000 naira. You can get that in Lagos. I got this from Tika for store, but you can also try at the Beauty Aesthetic on Instagram. You can try Beauty Pal on Instagram at the Beauty Pal. So I'm going to insert all the handles on here, so you can try them for your sunscreen. If you're curious about the skin type that this product works for, well, I'm here to tell you that it works for all skin type because it is water-based, because it doesn't need any extra finish. It might work for a dry skin. It should work for an oily skin. It should also work for a normal skin. But a sensitive skin, I don't know. I really can't say, because again, it contains alcohol, so that might be something that will irritate your skin and might not really be your thing. So you might give it a try, but I don't know. I cannot say you get. I'm going to go back and read through what it claims to do and also tell you if it's true or not based on my experience. The sunscreen comes with SPF 50 PA+++. I can't really tell if it's. I can't check for this as a as a consumer. So sun protection to keep you from sunburn, freckle, and dark spot at bay. I don't have freckles, I don't have dark spots. I do expose myself to sunburn. So yes, it protects my skin from sunburn. So that's true, 100% true. It says free of fragrance and colorant. True. It doesn't have any fragrance. It doesn't have any color, but it's very economical. Yes, it's very economical. It's also a very good makeup base. I use this as a base before applying my makeup. After it leaves no white cast. I love that. Excellently works for a brown skin girl. Number 4, it is not tacky. It doesn't have any grease to it. It doesn't have any grease, any oily rough feeling. It does not have all that. It's really smooths into my skin, blends into my skin very well. And as you can see, let's go back and do a test on my hand. As you can see here, there is nothing. There is no residue. There is no grease. Let's go close. I've used a couple of sunscreens that make me darker. I think Aqua Misa sunscreen. That was the reason why I left it, because it was making me, it tans me up when I apply it. This one does not give any tanning, and I'm going to tell you right now by applying it on my face. So you can see how my skin looks like now. So let's go in with the sunscreen. I had it on my hand. Let's go with the sunscreen. Okay, let me show you like it. Yeah, so you know I'm actually applying it, so that some of you will not come for me. Say, oh, she didn't apply anything. Again, I apologize for looking that direction. It's because I have a mirror there. So I'm going to apply it and see what it will do. As you can see, just applying it alone, it dries into my skin. Just applying it alone, it does not leave any white cast. Just by applying it, so you can see. So this is what it looks like. In less than 30 seconds, it has blended into my skin. You can see, in less than 30 seconds, it has blended into my skin. This is what I like about it. You can also easily apply it on your skin. It leaves no white cast. It leaves no extra oil finish. Like me that interchanged this sunscreen with that Mojo sunscreen, that has extra oil. So when I go in with that, I don't need to apply face oil. But with this one, I need to apply face oil before applying it, because it just dries into your skin, and it's good. I mean, it's good. If you have an oily skin, you should run and get this, because it dries into your skin like water, just like a toner. That feeling of how toner dries into your skin. This is how it dries into my skin. So you can see this is the after application here. This is how I look. So what I don't like about it is, number 1, it might not work for sensitive skin because it contains alcohol. Number 2, I don't like the pump. When I put it in my purse, it always spills. And it pains me when it spills, because this is like a germ. And if you put it in your purse and anything presses on it, it spills. I don't like the design when it comes to this part. And I don't like the fact that it contains alcohol, because again, that would, irritate sensitive skin. And the question here is, would I recommend this product to you? The answer is yes. I will recommend it to you because I've used it. It works for me. It's not perfect, but it's a good sunscreen, right? It is a good sunscreen. If you don't have a sensitive skin, even if you have a sensitive skin, you can give it a try. Do a patch test and see if it works for you. If it works for you, then go ahead. But overall, I rate this 9/10. It does the job, and it does the job with its full chest. And the fact that it's water-based. Again, I am not a dermatologist. I'm not a board certified aesthetician or any of those things. I'm not I'm not a board certified aesthetician. I'm not a dermatologist. This is from my personal experience, and my personal experience alone. Other options that you can try out if you have a sensitive skin might be the Aqua Misa sunscreen, might be maybe the La Roche, La Poroche, those ones. You can try those. If you watched to this point, don't run off. Hit the subscribe button, please. It will help my channel. And please like this video, because it will help me push this content to more audience, for more people to see. And this would also, guide them through their skincare journey. So please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that yet, and like this video to do a lot of good to my channel. Please, thank you very much. If you want me to review any skincare products or any product at all, let me know in the comments. And if I can lay my hand on it, of course, I will give a full review on it. You all know my reviews are always different, because I do a live test. We do it live, like there's no backyard. We do the arm one, we do one on my hand, do on my face. So it's not a case of what I ordered for versus what I got. You can always subscribe, so you can always check for products that you might be interested in buying that I've done review for. And not just reviews by words, but reviews by results. Like we test it out. If you enjoyed watching, you know what to do. I'll finish talking. See you guys in my next video for now.
그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요